The operation introduction of Pace touchscreen. Click the screen to activate the display, and enter the main status interface of the home page. The battery's SOC, voltage, current, capacity and other data can be viewed in real time. The left and right arrows below can switch to different battery packs for viewing. Click on the menu icon in the top left corner to enter the home menu bar, where you can view more detailed information about the cell information and BMS status. When performing protocol selection, you can scroll up and down. Click the unlock icon. Enter the unlock password to switch protocols. The system settings interface can freely switch between Chinese, English, Arabic, Russian, French, German and other language systems. You can also view the current system version. Click the battery icon in the upper right corner of any interface to return to the main status interface of the home page.